I run it as a work atmosphere. They have to punch in, punch out, just like if you're going to work. They get into metallurgy, blueprint reading, flux core, TIG, shielded metal arc, which is stick welding, MIG. So we're teaching them real life skills. Most of my students are hands-on students. Our programs are great for that type of child to look into our field because it is a dirty field. You're gonna get cuts, you're gonna get burnt, you're gonna get dirty. You gotta be willing to use your hands. But the demand is just going through the roof. And it's a career that you're never gonna be replaced by a computer or a robot. It's not gonna go away. My personal feeling is the students need these career centers to help them get where they need to be. When these employers are hiring, they're going to ask for experience, and that's what I try to stress to these kids. Take advantage of it now because the companies are calling us. So they know we're going to give them a good student. Out of 20 students last year, we had 17 out working. We have some students work at NASA Glenn up in Cleveland. We have 2 that work at B&W. So the field is just booming. I mean, the welding field's been fantastic for me, and hopefully it will be for my students too.